Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you to delete a number from your WhatsApp. By deleting it you will delete all messages and even media they sent you. Now go through your phone to find the WhatsApp application. Now find the number or contact you want to delete and long press on it for 2 seconds. Press on the dustbin to delete the number. Now press on delete to remove it. The number should now be deleted. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.